my name's Brooke with WTI, and I have to show you this Wise Owl Outfitters fish bag. This is wonderful for keeping our fish out of our cooler where our food and our drinks are. This is also easy to carry and walk around with, especially if you're going to go down into a muddy ditch down into the lake or a river, or if you're going to walk to the beach. But this is great for the outdoors, and you don't have to roll your cooler over a whole bunch of crazy terrain. So this is a 40 by 16, and it's huge. The amount of fish that it holds is wonderful, and that's just us being zealous, thinking we're going to catch that much. Or if you possibly want to go to the park for a picnic, you can throw some ice and some drinks in here. The ice does not make this sweat, this nylon, and when I went to clean it after having bloody fish, there was no fish smell. So this is easy to take care of, easy to clean, and there's no stinky smell afterwards, which is such a plus. And the side strap makes it easy for me to carry because I'm narrow-shouldered. So if you don't need it, you can always use these, and these clips are super easy to use. You just clip it off, take it off on both sides, and it's just such a thoughtful bag, especially for our outdoor adventures. And then when you're all done, it's so easy to put away and store. And this zipper is durable. It's not gonna let your fish flop out, but it's gonna hold everything in place. This is great to slide in the back of your truck, or the material is super soft to sit on. But this is wonderful for our adventures, and it's making it a lot easier for us to keep things clean, sanitary, and fun. And that's my point of view.